So this is a leg of Sanglier, which is wild boar. This is a leg of a young animal that the local chasse, the local hunters, have shot to reduce the numbers because they create so much damage in the farmland here, and we have been gifted a leg. So as there's only two of us, and it's just far too much meat to do as a roast, I am now going to take the meat off the bone, and we're going to prepare it in the slow cooker into two people sized portions so we can put some in the freezer. So watch this space. Okay, so 40 minutes later, and we have got quite a pile of meat. And I'm just going to trim this to get these sinewy bits off and to get it into bite-sized chunks, and then it's going to go into the slow cooker with some juniper berries and a bottle of cider, my own cider of course, and that is going to sit and marinate until tomorrow. Okay, so this is ready to go into the slow cooker now, and I have added to the meat and the cider some juniper berries, a chopped up onion, and lots of plums. That will give a bit of sweetness to it and help it marinate and cook nicely. So I've washed up and sterilised and bleached my chopping board and knives, because got to be careful with wild boar, folks, and you've got to cook it well. So this will go into the slow cooker for a few hours. So have a look and see when it's finished. So it's the darkest bit of the kitchen, of course, and it's very steamy, which will steam up the camera, but it is ready. So I'm just going to dish it up, and I've gone a little bit chefy. So have a look. So there we go, guys. Wild boar stew with some plums, onions, lovely buttery mash, and a few carrots.